Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a consent letter to travel with one parent. This letter is a formal declaration made by one parent giving written permission for their child to travel with the other parent. Start the letter with your name, phone number, and email under the heading Parent Giving Consent. You may write contact available upon request if needed. Then begin the letter with to whom it may concern. After that, write, I hereby give my full consent for my minor child to travel internationally with the other parent. I am fully aware of the travel arrangements and support the trip without any objection. I am the legal parent and share custody of the child. I can be contacted for verification if required. This letter is issued voluntarily and is valid for the duration of the travel. Signature parent, one date, signed on the day of issue. Here's our sample consent letter to travel with one parent. You'll notice how it clearly states the traveling parent and confirms permission from the other parent. The letter helps ensure smooth travel by providing clarity and proof of consent. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing effective travel-related letters.